Good morning, everybody. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal. Today we're going to a blood drive to give blood here in Wylie. It's a little car show and a blood drive thing, and taking the Vanderhall, of course, because that's what we do on this channel. We have gotten our own apparel, so I've got this big old box and a couple bags that didn't fit in the box that I'm taking with me to give out to whoever shows up today. This is one of the new hats. This is the only hat in this color that I was able to get. Sorry about the rest of you, but since I did all the work, I'm keeping the one of hat. The others will come eventually. You guys will all get them. But we're heading over to the car show slash blood drive thing right now. It's a pretty day, maybe a little windy. The trees are flapping real bad over there, but that's okay. I really should take the Renetto chair. There's not a lot of room in the Vanderhall at this point. I didn't really think about that until right now. I should probably reload all this because it doesn't fit with the Renetto chair. Yeah, I need to get on it because I'm already running late. Okay. Oh, the story of my life. Waiting on Hank. I mean, no one else is here. Because we're meeting at a spot before we run into the show. Last minute, I sped over here like a demon to get to the spot on time, and Hank's running late, Daniel's running late. I mean, nobody else is here yet, but as usual, waiting on everyone to get here. There is Smo's mini donuts over there. I could go get some mini donuts, but I did already have some chocolate donuts for breakfast, so I don't really need more mini donuts, as good as those probably are. And I know at this point, no one that's watching this video cares that I'm waiting on anyone and that I had chocolate covered Hostess donuts for breakfast. But hey, somebody out there is gonna be like, all right, Hostess chocolate donuts. Good choice, Mike D. I'm gonna get a comment down below and praise from the Hostess people when they see this video for giving them a shout out for their chocolate covered donut. Pro tip, I put them in the refrigerator so they get that little crunch to the outside chocolate shell, and they don't melt on your fingers unless you know you've had them out of the refrigerator for some extended period of time. So just so you guys know, if you're a Hostess chocolate covered donut fan, that's the way to do it. There's pictures over here.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. Vander cheese. Nailed it. Right. O'Hare.
Yeah, I got pictures of this.
So, while we're at this event here at Laser Wraps, we've decided that it's so simple to put in this little package from Holland Accessories. This is the cruise control that Kirk has made for these Vanderhalls that is like a third the price of what Vanderhall charges. He sent me one. We're gonna install it in Chad's vehicle right here at the show that we're at. So let's get to it. So this is what we got. We pulled the top cover off of the steering column. There's 4 screws that hold it in. This is the piece that's normally sitting in here, but Chad got ahead of me and popped this off. But there's a couple screws in the front and then a couple screws in the back side of it back here. We're gonna pop those off to get this out of the way. It's kind of tough. You can take some force, but this is super durable plastic. You can get it out of there. And we're gonna splice into one of these plugs. We'll get back to that in a second. You have installed one of these cruise controls.
Yes.
I would love your expertise without having to look up the instructions, because you know we're men and we don't do the instructions. But we do need to know which colored wire to tap into. Do you remember?
Yeah, I actually have the instructions right here.
So
on
we've
my
got to go to the
smartphone.
instructions.
Well, to be certain, I have the instructions on my smartphone.
Okay, so Hank's, you know, throw it in the towel, and we're gonna go to the instructions instead of guessing, I guess. So.
You don't want to guess at this.
You don't really want to guess at it, because once you crimp these on, they're on. get them off is kind of a tough deal. The left switch, it doesn't matter. You just got to crimp those onto the plug first, and then you plug them in, right?
What do I crimp onto?
We just need to know which ones you crimp onto, Hank.
Okay.
Of these wires, where do the T-taps go?
We got a bet going.
Okay. Okay, hang on.
Chad said red and white, black. Is that what you said?
The race is on, Hank. Look, we could have been done by now. We thought Hank was gonna really know exactly which ones to go to, and he didn't.
No, there's too
We're
many.
installing cruise control.
There's
so
multiple colors going on here, dude.
there are, I understand there are multiple colors. There are 2 wires we need to tap into.
Do you have little instructions he sent you?
I believe so.
No?
Well, you know, he just pretty sure emailed me. Yeah, cruise control installation instructions. Download. Yeah, I'm on the instructions.
Okay.
So we got connect the black wire from the cruise control kit to the green wire with the brown stripe. So
Okay.
black wire goes to the green with the brown stripe. And then guess what the next one is, Billy? White with the red stripe.
So we see the white
Those
and
are the
red.
2.
So
There should be a green with a brown.
See that green with the brown right there? That's it.
Those are the 2.
It's the white and red, and the green and brown.
So you're gonna crimp your connectors onto those with these pliers. Crimp these in. With the pliers, you gotta squeeze the heck out of it so that it makes a good connection, as Hank has found out when using T-taps.
Hank got his right the first time. That's as good as they're gonna get right there, bro. They don't go down in that crack. Okay. Crack kills.
All right, so we're sliding that back in after we put the T-taps on.
The T-taps are on.
Flip it back
Now
in.
it's back in. Now it's ready for him
Now it's just a matter of
to align the appropriate wire.
Black goes to what?
Black goes to the brown, and the yellow goes to the white and red.
Nailed it. Look at that. Thanks.
So now we're gonna route that wire. It's a little different place because Chad has all of his switches taken up here on the dash. That's where you normally put them. We're gonna mount his in a different spot. Oh boy, oh boy. No going back now. Hey, you know what? You just lightened it in to make up for the weight of the plug, for the switch. You're gonna need to ream that hole out a little bit.
Just a wee bit.
You can go up to that next size bit, probably.
That'd be a ½ inch.
Got the girls heckling the girls that show up. This is ridiculous. I'm trying to do an install video here.
Oh, we're sorry. You can bleep us out.
Yeah.
We
Put on there, noted.
dub over that one.
Yeah. Dub over. Chad's putting on the old zip tie to tie this cord up. You can see how the switches actually mount in there. Just when you run it through, you run this nut on the outside edge of it and it sandwiches it between the material, just like the factory switches do. But
½ inch bit.
½ inch bit, Chad says, to give you the proper hold.
I'll touch you with the wood.
And now I've got Chad's wood in my face right here, evidently. Don't grip it too tight, Sarah says. This is a PG YouTube video, people. Alright, so now Chad's got them there. So he's got on and off on the back, and then, you know, up and down for increased cruise and decrease.
You gonna take it to the test drive?
Yeah, super simple. Several minutes later, Chad is done. He's sweated through his hat. He's gonna take it on a little test drive now and make sure it all works before he gets it 100%. Buttoned up, because you know he starts it with his loud exhaust, but it should be good. Hank's already installed his, and Hank loves it. So, what's up? What? Oh, I'm coming with him. Oh, I've been invited into the shark mouth. The Vander Shark. I'm sorry, Jamie corrected me. That's right. I've never been a passenger in a Vanderhall. It's scary. This is weird. I don't even know where to get my seatbelt on. This is so strange.
I want to sit in the middle.
Yeah, Billy's gonna come and just hug us the whole way.
Sit on the floorboard.
You're good. You're clear. Yeah. right, and just like that, we are back from another amazing day in the Vanderhall. So our little car show thing we went to wasn't really a car show. It was a ribbon cutting for like the opening of the new location for Laser Wraps, the place we were at. We had no idea, like we were the show, which is cool. But we really thought we were going to get it there and there would be like a whole bunch of cars and not just us. But whatever, it was fun. We enjoy any reason to get together because that's what it's all about. So yeah, another amazing day. Wouldn't have it any other way. It's been so fun. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Tammy's not here because she went to get Chris Hemsworth for me, right?
The guy? The actual Chris Hemsworth?
Yeah,
Oh, I
because
saw it.
in our
I
group-
saw
in
it.
our group-
She was so proud of that, you
in
can't
our
even
group
imagine.
Chat, she sent me a picture of him. So is that who she's going to get for me?
I hope so.
Woo! Bring
Hey.
it out!
Hey, did you get it?
She's way too excited about Chris Hemsworth that's not coming.